Let me ask you a question. Do you want to learn how to make best use of your toilet time? Yes? Then keep watching this video.
Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals.
In this video, I share some productive ideas on how you can make best use of your toilet time. Can you think of a place where you have no interruptions? A place where you can focus and concentrate? A place where you can do some visioning? A place where you can think of solutions to your problems? A place where there are no distractions? And a place where you can read peacefully? You are right. The place I am referring to is your toilet. Some of you might be thinking, Rajiv, I'm already making best use of my toilet time by doing what I'm supposed to be doing there. It is also possible that some of you might find this idea stinking bad. I respect your beliefs. If all what I say go against the beliefs that you have been raised with, you can ignore this video completely. But for a moment, ponder. Can you stop your mind from thinking about the problem you are worried about when you are in a toilet? If you answered no to that question, then my dear friend, you are already using your toilet time. Then why not put it to some productive use? Here are some important activities you can do when you are in your private chamber. Read or scan the newspaper. Read articles from a magazine. Use your smartphone to listen to audiobooks. Use your smartphone to record ideas and plans. Learn a new language. Do EFT tapping. Press your acupressure points. Brainstorm solutions to your problem. Rehearse your upcoming presentation. Do a visioning exercise. Repeat affirmations. Self-esteem or confidence building exercises. You can review your goals. Write a to-do list. Make a call. Have a conversation with yourself. Watch videos on your tablet. Jot down ideas on a pad. Learn 5 new words to build your vocabulary. Just think about it. If you just learned 5 new words every day in the toilet, your vocabulary will be richer by 1,825 words per year. So go ahead and make best use of your toilet time. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting more cool videos like this.
So thanks for watching this video. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So see you again in my next video. Until then, take care.